I failed at dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and crypto. Then I accidentally stumbled onto this. I was literally that person who tried everything. Shopify store that made $12 in 3 months, bought every crypto course. My bank account was crying. Then I was procrastinating on YouTube and found this video about WordPress blogs that make money from Google AdSense, like ads that pay you while you sleep. I found this book called Starting a WordPress AdSense Empire. Usually I'm skeptical because, hello, I've been burned. But this felt different. No coding, no tech overwhelm, just step-by-step stuff. And it actually worked. My first site about houseplants covered my coffee addiction. Then budget travel and easy recipe sites increased my revenue. This new book shows you everything, topics advertisers pay for, how to rank on Google, and where to place ads. Best part, you can scale and sell these sites for a lot more. There's an entire group of people online using Google AdSense for income. Yeah, it is getting harder to qualify sites, but the book or the audiobook take you through each step. After failing at so many things, finding something that works feels amazing. If you're tired of things that don't work, maybe check it out. The link is below. Get the digital format or the audiobook. Either way, you'll learn a whole new set of skills.